Hello student, let's discuss number 8 of exercise 1.1 chapter 1 integer. Question is verify a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b for the following value of a and b. For a equal to 21 and b equal to 18, we have to prove a minus of minus b equal to a plus b. Left hand side expression is a minus of minus b. Put the respective value of a and b, that is 21 minus of minus 18, that is 21 plus 18. Why it is plus? Because minus of minus become plus. So 21 plus 18 equal to 39, and in right hand side a plus b, 21 plus 18 equal to 39. Both the value are same, hence it is proved. Similarly, second bit, a equal to 118 and b equal to 125. Left hand side value is 118 minus 125 minus of minus 125. So value is 243, and in right hand side also 243. Hence it is proved. Third bit, a equal to 75 and b equal to 84. Left hand side value, when you put the respective value of a and b, 75 minus of minus 84 equal to 159, and in right hand side a plus b. So 75 plus 84 is 149. Hence it is proved. Fourth bit, a equal to 28 and b equal to 11. We have a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b. Put the respective values of a and b in left hand side. Expression of left hand side is a minus of minus b. Value of a is here 28 and value of b is 11. So 28 minus of minus 11, 28 minus minus become plus, so 28 plus 11 equal to 39, and in right hand side expression is a plus b. Value of a is here 28 and value of b is 11. So 28 plus 11, a plus b, that is equal to 39. So left hand side value is 39 and right hand side value is also 39. Hence both the value of left hand side and right hand side are same. Hence left hand side equal to right hand side. Thus it is proved. Next, number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. Here you have some bit. You have to fill the box with appropriate symbol. To solve this number, we can find out the value of left hand side and right hand side. Then compare these two value, and then we will put the appropriate symbol in the box. So let's start. First bit is minus 8 plus minus 4 in left hand side, and in right hand side minus 8 minus of minus 4. So expression of left hand side is minus 8 plus minus 4. So when you open this bracket, minus 8 plus minus symbol is there. So minus 8 minus 4, its value is minus 12, and in right hand side minus 8 minus 4, minus minus become plus, so minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Here minus 12 is less than minus 4, so in this box we will put the less than symbol. Second bit, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 in left hand side, or in right hand side 15 minus 8 plus minus sub minus 9. So let's solve the left hand side. Expression is minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. When you open the bracket, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19, then rearrange the negative term first. So minus 3 minus 19 plus 7. By using Bodmer's rule, we will add negative symbol. So minus 3 minus 19 is minus 22 plus 7, that is equal to minus 15. In right hand side 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So when you solve the right hand side, we will get minus 2. Here minus 15 is less than minus 2. Hence in this box we will put less than symbol. Remember, in negative symbol, the lowest number is the highest value and the highest value is the lowest number. Next is C. 23 minus 41 plus 11 in left hand side. Value of this, when you solve the left hand side, value will get minus 7, and in right hand side 23 minus 41 minus 11. So when you solve this right hand side, value is minus 29. Here minus 7 is greater than minus 29. When and then in symbol, in box we will put greater than symbol. Similarly, D. In left hand side 39 minus 24 minus 15, when you solve, value will get 0, and in right hand side 36 plus minus 52 minus of minus 36, when you solve we will get 20. So 0 is less than equal to 20, hence in this box we will put the less than symbol. Next is E. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. When this is the left hand side part, when you solve this number we will get minus 101, and in right hand side minus 339 plus 399 plus 159 plus 81. When you solve we get minus 159. Here minus 101 is greater than minus 159, hence in this box we will put the greater than symbol. So that's all for today.